Jolly Belly, kedukan ke bapila ban yolut iki jingdon kam ki baman la kasni ki jongpi, badi ki marba mardi hagador ke baduna. Laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai, badi ki jaj do ba pher ya ki balawan ra na keleng ke rilom khasi. Kat ba pinang thir iki jingdon kam ki jongpi, pilaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi, haka jakai le kai ke balabu kerpang na ke benta jongki. One room shagadukan Jolly Belly, but me da ka jinkmen. Ya ki jingtep ki bakham nya la ban yo da ka bapon hau number nyo not san nriu pra nriu san nyo but kndai pra nriu lai not lai nriu. As part of the observation of World AIDS Day, the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, in collaboration with the Northeast Antique Wheels and the Shillong Motorsports Club, had organized a motorcar and bike rally on 1st December 2021 to create awareness about HIV/AIDS and its preventive measures. Before the start of the rally, a program was held at Malki Football Ground, Shillong, where the Director, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Dr. Rafelia Alia, spoke to newspersons about the illness and preventive measures against HIV and AIDS. Dr. Alia informed that as per the National AIDS Control Organization, there are approximately 11,000 people living with the HIV/AIDS virus in the state of Meghalaya. However, out of these, the number of registered cases are only about 5,000 that include both males and females and children. She added that the rest of the unregistered cases that have not been accounted for may be due to the fear of stigmatization by society of those living with the virus. Dr. Alia urged upon the public to not hesitate but come forward for testing so that timely treatment and care can be given to those with the illness.
Registered ones on either on treatment or have registered with us, but there must be still many of them who are who are not aware of the status. And as per estimation by the National AIDS Control Organization, they say that Meghalaya we at least have 11,000 plus people living with HIV. So we have a burden to try to reach out to the rest of the 6,000 and to tell them to come forward for testing, and also, and if they are positive, to come for treatment. Yes. So from our office, we are trying our best to raise awareness, like today's function, for example, to raise awareness with the community, with the society, that HIV/AIDS is not an illness that people should stigmatize or should discriminate against those who are positive. In fact, as HIV/AIDS it is not an illness which is easily transmissible, because as I will mention here again, that there are only 4 means that a person can get HIV: through sexual contact with an infected person, then infected blood and blood products, then from a infected mother to her unborn child, or during breastfeeding, or during delivery, or the infected drug users. Okay.
While speaking to newspersons, the president of the Antique Wheels of Northeast, Ashok Lingdo, who was one of the participants in today's rally, said that the antique cars would be a major attraction during the rally, as these would immediately catch the eye of the public, thereby making the awareness campaign against HIV/AIDS more effective.
Hamtamba lada pisai kumto lada pisai kini kali mai kumto ki duna ki brio ki ban peji kini ki plakat te hamtam lada ngi sai kini kali ba kham ipla kumto te ki brio kin peji kali bat kin pelang ki plakat bar apil te awareness kan khambon te ban pejai kin ko kin yo ban shondo ba koi ba kom kini kali gila de ki piar ja te manta bom ji show pi te na to da gen ki ki pajbar kin kham poi hi ban peji kini kali te da ki wan ban peji kini kali ti kini ki banas ki ya kini ki plakat ir kin sawan kuliah ke sekan kham biang awareness ke pang ka it